Hey there, Dotson guys with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys our new Scout 220 Dorado. She's a 2027. We've got her in the flag blue exterior, which we think stunning, especially with the new Sunbrella interior, which we'll show you guys in a second. Stainless steel rub rail, bimini top, also a stainless steel frame. We've got the Mercury 200 on the back and the matching Scout White, as well as trim tabs and the dual swim platforms on this fantastic model. We'll take a moment, walk you through the inside. All right, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see we've got that Merc 200, like I'd said, that's the V6, removable ski pylon, the flip down aft seat, which you'll see with the optional stern seating here. You have multiple seats all around. We have a cooler box behind the helm chair here. And you have a bench seat, also reverse facing aft lounge on the port side. Standard live well. This boat is equipped with fresh water, so it's got the holding tank down below. You'll see these backrests are removable for those busier days. You can have those and slide in and out. You can easily slide these seats both around. Now you have a nice entertaining concept right here in the cockpit. Flip bolsters on both sides, port and starboard. We have digital throttle and shift from our Mercury with push button start, conveniently placed right there. We've got the Garmin display with GPS and sonar. The optional inductive wireless charging, our standard Fusion with 4 speakers, and we did the JL audio upgrade on this particular boat. We have those Dometic trim tabs with the smart controller there, switching on the starboard side, and as well as digital tack and throttle for our Mercury. Down below, we also have the battery charging system, so that's for our engine and house batteries. Down below on the deck here, it's got a lockable hatch, but that's a great ski locker for those water sports. Over here on the port side, we've got the head. We've got our storage cover and prop in there as we just received her, so we'll get her all set up and commissioned here shortly. We have cell phone storage on the starboard side, or the port side, excuse me, and as well as wireless USB and USB-Cs. Glove box underneath the helm. And as we transition forward, you'll see the walk-through door and walk-through windshield on our frameless windshield, which we love from Scout. Just underneath the helm, big dry storage, place for all the big stuff. That's also where my battery switch is located. As we transition to the front, you'll see I've got the lounge filler in. So this is removable and storable. You have armrests both port and starboard. And then you have a dedicated anchor locker storage in the bow with a trolling motor panel in there. We have the cup holders / rod holders in the bow as well. So if you want to do a shade kit off that bimini top, you sure can. Underneath both port and starboard, you have flip up cushions, and you have storage underneath those. Guys, if you have any questions about our new model that just arrived, again, this is the Scout 220 Dorado. Again, my name is Dotson Geis here at MarineMax in Charleston. Feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Happy to do a showing for you or come by and see it. Talk soon.